that park there, but there's also one more park here. I guess it's for, I think it's for younger kids, like 2 years old down. So come on, let's go. Maddie, run, Maddie. Go, run. Hello, good day. We're going to one of our favorite parks here. We love this park. I've been to this park for numerous times for birthday parties with my friends' kids. Oh, I love this park. Here, Maddie. Find a shade and we'll set up our little mat. Have some healthy snacks here.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
Looks like it's going to rain today. We'll see. The last time we were here, there's no shades there, but now they put it up, so it's better.
Towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
going, Ethan? To the beach? Let's go! This is the second reason why this park is very famous with families. There's a place for volleyball, and the skylines there is perfect for pictures, and the beach looks endless from there to there. Social distancing is not a problem. And most importantly, there are surf rescuers there. They look out for people who are in danger. Surfers and people who think they can swim. Guys, we're just gonna go home because it's raining. Well, hopefully it's sunny on my next vlog, so we will enjoy. it's just 5 minutes away from the beach and the park, Pacific Fair. It's I think it's the best mall here in Gold Coast. You just have to walk 10 minutes from there to there. You enjoyed our vlog today, and we're just 5 minutes away from our house, and we're just gonna have some takeout. We hope you're enjoying your weekend. We'll see you again on our next vlog. Light and love. See you.
Can I get an upsized ultimate box with a 7-up for a drink, please? Yeah, can I get a hot and spicy 3-piece box